Imagine this. You're retired and living comfortably on your investment income. You don't have to worry about working anymore, and you can spend your time doing the things you love. This is the dream of many people, and it's possible to achieve through investing in the S&P 500. Do you want to invest in the S&P 500 but you don't know where to start? The S&P 500 is a great investment for beginners. It's diversified, low cost, and has a long track record of success. Here's how to invest in the S&P 500 in 5 minutes or less. 1. Open a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell stocks. 2. Deposit some money into your account. You can start with as little as $100. They search for an S&P 500 index fund or ETF. These are funds that track the S&P 500 index. 4. Buy some shares of the fund or ETF. You can buy as many or as few shares as you want. 5. Hold your investment for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but it has historically trended upwards over the long term. Bonus tip. If you're not sure how much money to invest, start with a small amount and increase your investment over time. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's a great way to reduce your risk. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.